right, students, just want to go over what we're going to be doing today. Basically, today's objective is we're going to be exploring how plants are adapted to survive and to reproduce in different ecosystems. And we're going to review the structures of a plant, such as a root, stem, flower, and their functions. And these are the activities that we're going to be doing. I'm going to run through them with you today. Okay, so we are going to be starting an awesome project that is going to take us through the year. It's called Planet D. You are going to be pretending that you are researchers who are being sent to a Earth-like planet in order to study its plants and animals. It's one planet, 4 teams. So you are an important part of one of 4 teams of scientists that has been sent to Planet D to study existing species in 4 distinct ecosystems in this new planet in preparation for future colonization. Just like on planet Earth, species on Planet D have features or adaptations that allow them to do 2 things: survive and pass on their genes. If they don't, they go extinct. We don't want that to happen. So you are traveling through space to Planet D, and your first goal is to identify the vegetation. Now, it's Earth-like, but it's not Earth. So different history of this planet's evolution. Okay, so you're going to see different species, and it's your job to create these species. Okay, you're going to be dropped off in one of 4 locations on the planet. Okay, and each of the 4 different ecosystems have specific environment that will allow them to survive. Okay, phase 2 is going to be the animals. You're going to get to create an animal in the spring. But remember, the food chain starts with plants. So that's where we have to start today. Okay, when you're working with your group, you have to be sure you have a variety of different types of plants, like shrubs and ferns and creepers and climbers and flowering plants and cone trees. And you're going to be designing a plant. Okay, how does it get water? How does it get food? How does it reproduce? And all this information is going to be written right here. So each person, you have to create your own plant. So you have to tell, how is your plant going to get water? How is it going to get food? Does it have a special type of leaf? Okay. And be sure that your plant can survive in the environment that you were dropped, okay, with your team. I have some background for you. The very first thing we're all going to do is watch plant structure and adaptation video on Puzzle. We're going to take a break, and then we're all going to come back, and you're going to get started on your team. Okay. So make sure you really pay attention for your Puzzle, because you are going to have to invent the plants that live on this planet.